Hey, have you ever thought that your bad mood, anxiety, or even depression could be caused by a tiny microbe missing in your gut? I know it sounds strange, but what I'm about to tell you could really change your life. I've discovered some powerful new information about the gut microbiome and how it affects your mood. And you know the best part? I have a solution you won't want to miss. A natural remedy that you can prepare right at home. Yes, a simple but super effective recipe that I'll guide you through step by step. You can't let this one slip away. Stay with me, there's a lot to discover. And it might be just what you've been looking for to regain your well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. You'll find videos and tips that can really make a difference in your health and wellness. Subscribe now and stay updated. So, let's start with the basics. Did you know our body produces 17 digestive enzymes? So far, so normal. But what you might not know is that the microbiome, those little friends living in your gut, produce more than 60. Not only that, but these microbes are also the only ones capable of digesting fiber. We humans, on our own, can't do it. So they take the fiber, break it down, and turn it into acetic acid, a type of fat that nourishes the cells in the colon. But that's not all. They also produce another one, butyrate, which mimics ketones and does a lot of good. You can already see how important these microbes are, right? The really interesting thing is that these little organisms do much more than help us digest. They're also involved in producing neurotransmitters, substances that travel through the nervous system and directly influence our mood. You know serotonin, the one that makes you feel happy and relaxed? Well, 90% of the serotonin in your body is produced right in your gut. The same goes for dopamine, which makes you feel motivated, and GABA, which helps you calm down. It's like the gut is a real happiness factory. Then there's the vagus nerve, which acts like a highway between the brain and the gut. Imagine it as a two-way road. If your gut isn't doing well, you can feel down or anxious. But if you're feeling low, this can affect your gut health. Everything is connected. And this is where your microbiome's health comes in. These good bacteria also help break down toxins and medications and transform antioxidants in foods into compounds that are great for our body. Now here's where things get serious. We need a good amount of good bacteria to keep the bad ones in check. Because when things get out of balance, problems can arise. Think about antibiotics. Glyphosate herbicide found in many of the foods we eat. Junk food, stress, smoking, alcohol, pollution. All these things destroy our microbiome. And when good bacteria decrease, neurotransmitter production is affected, and blood sugar levels become disrupted. But that's not all. Bad bacteria can move up into the small intestine, where they normally shouldn't be. This creates competition for nutrients and can lead to deficiencies, as well as inflammation, leaky gut, allergies, and difficulty digesting certain foods. But there's good news. Dr. William Davis, a well-known doctor who has written several books, found a really interesting way to cultivate probiotics in a dairy product. This isn't just regular yogurt, but a super concentrated version of probiotics that can do wonders for our body. He discovered how to grow a specific microbe that has been shown in various studies to reduce depression and improve mood. And all this is possible just by fermenting the product for 36 hours at a precise temperature, around 37 degrees Celsius. The result is a thick, delicious cream that Dr. Davis recommends eating every day. I have to tell you, I tried this recipe myself, and honestly, it surprised me. I started eating half a cup every night before bed, and the results were amazing. This microbe, Lactobacillus reuteri, is truly unique. It can survive stomach acids and produce a substance that only kills the bad bacteria, leaving the good ones intact. Many people see improvements in their skin when taking antibiotics, but of course, traditional antibiotics come with a lot of side effects. This, on the other hand, is a completely natural process that doesn't lead to bacterial resistance. Lactobacillus reuteri does another incredible thing. It produces oxytocin, the hormone of love and happiness. This hormone not only helps improve social bonding, but also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, positively influencing anxiety and depression. In short, it helps you feel calmer and more connected with others. Some have even noticed increased muscle mass, deeper sleep, thicker hair, and younger skin. But the main thing is that you just feel better. So, if you're curious and want to try something new, I suggest trying to make this super yogurt at home. You only need a few ingredients: a probiotic capsule, some inulin, a fiber that helps feed the good bacteria, and some milk. Mix it all and let it ferment for 36 hours at a precise temperature. The result is a cream you can eat every day to improve your gut health and, in turn, your mood. Think about how powerful the connection between our gut and our brain is. We've always thought of the gut as just an organ that digests food, but it's much more. It's like a second brain, producing substances that make us feel happy, relaxed, and motivated. Taking care of your gut means taking care of your mind and your overall well-being. We live in a world where stress is the norm: work, family, financial problems. All of this can take a toll on our mental health. But we often don't think about how diet and gut health can influence how we feel. Maybe we turn to medications or seek quick fixes to feel better, without considering that perhaps just changing how we nourish our body could lead to improvement. Imagine being able to improve your mood just by changing what you eat and taking care of your gut. It's not magic, it's science. When the microbiome is in balance, the whole body functions better. And what we eat has a huge impact on this balance. Fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and fermented foods can make a big difference. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your mood, reduce anxiety, and feel better overall, try taking care of your gut. Pay attention to what you eat, try to avoid processed foods, and make an effort to include more fermented foods in your diet. Maybe try making this special yogurt and see how it makes you feel. In the end, it's a small change that could make a big difference in your life. And don't forget that health isn't just about the body. It's about the mind too. When we take care of our body in a holistic way, from diet to exercise to stress management, we can really improve our quality of life. And the great thing is that you're not alone in this journey. There are many people out there discovering the importance of the microbiome and the benefits it can bring. So why not be part of it too? In the end, it's all connected. Our gut health, our mood, our overall well-being. It all depends on how we treat our body and how we choose to nourish it. And maybe the next time you're feeling down or anxious, you'll think about the importance of those little friends in your gut and how taking care of them could be the key to feeling like yourself again.